Afternoon guys, Lee from Source and this lovely new Suzuki Jimny. It's a 2024 plate and we have just installed a lovely KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. So I just turn the ignition on, let that boot up. See we've got a nice little Suzuki logo there, which makes it look a little bit more factory. Once it's powered up, we'll show you the features. Rails on here, we've got FM radio, we've got DAB radio. So we're on DAB at the moment, so you can go into the DAB list. And obviously you've got your stations. There's 50, 60 different options that we've got on here. Just got a little bit of light on there. But you just go to that bottom, page up at the time, select which one you want. Works really fine. Obviously FM radio as well, and this unit's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Don't have a second phone plugged at the minute just to show you that. But we've got in the glove box, we've got USB cable there, so you can plug the phone in for charging, or you can plug memory sticks in. But obviously this unit, with it being the 8021, has got wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, so you don't necessarily need to plug the phone in to use those features on here. If we go on, obviously show you some other options. If you've got a new iPod, you can use iPod. You've got HDMI, so if you want to plug in like things like Fire Sticks, that sort of stuff, works really well on there. Obviously got Bluetooth streaming, but then like I said, we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've also retained steering controls on this vehicle, so if I just use the mode button, you can see there it's scrolling through the different options. Obviously track up and down works fine, volume up and down works fine. It all works lovely as it should do. Just pop it into reverse. You can see we've then used a KENWOOD CMOS 230 reverse camera on this car. There's a little bit of glare from the car that's behind with all the lights on, but as soon as you pop it into reverse, that comes on. Take it out reverse, it goes off. And then you've also got a cam button on the front here, so if you, I don't know, towing a trailer or something like that, you can actually view the camera image behind you without when you're driving forward, so you don't need to be in reverse. Works really fine. But as I said, nice little unit all in all, fantastic little product. If you fancy something like this in your Suzuki or any other vehicle, if you want to give the guys at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you very much. Bye.